Good morning, SK. Tune in to hear about the Naked Turkey Contest.
I hope your morning is going good so far. You'll also hear about senior news and yearbook deadlines.
Make sure to listen for our upcoming college visitations too.
All that and more coming to you live from WTV.
The big news of the day is the start of the Naked Turkey Contest. 10 lucky staff members are wanting you to donate food towards their name to have one wear the famous turkey costume. Who are the contestants? Drum roll, please. Mr. DeVoe, Mr. Grams, Mr. Conley, Miss Merwine, Miss Vega, Miss Gutierrez, Miss Ronastrand, Miss Tierney, Miss Bain, and finally Miss Woodruff. Good luck to you all. I can't wait to see who's going to be the Naked Turkey this year. So, how does this all work? Donate food to the staff member boxes of your choosing. The one with the most food in their box by the 22nd gets to wear the costume. Remember, all food will be donated to the SK helpline. Make sure any donated food is non-perishable.
College visitation season is almost at an end. If you're looking to go to Central Washington next fall, check out their on-the-spot admission event on Friday in the library. Seniors can go onto their grade level classroom for more details. Washington State will be here later in the month for any hopeful Cougars. Again, seniors, check your grade level classroom for more. And if you're a senior looking for extra cash for college, check out the Regeneron Science Talent Search. You can find out how to apply by going to our Hot Links page. Applications are due Thursday. Besides WTV, video production is a very interesting class. Here's a little more info about the behind the scenes.
Have you ever wondered how a live WTV broadcast, like the one you're watching right now, makes its way to the screen in your classroom? Wolf Television, also known as WTV, is a daily news show produced by the students of the Advanced Video Production class here at SK. But what does it look like behind the scenes? It all starts when the bell rings and second period for that day begins. After the crew is chosen for the day, the anchors and the studio personnel head to the studio about a half hour before showtime. The crew will perform a script read-through and a full rehearsal before we go live to the entire school. But what goes on in the studio that the audience doesn't see? In the control room, we use real studio-grade equipment that helps manage every aspect of the show, from our sound mixer, to the teleprompter, to the video switcher, and to the cameras. It all comes together to help produce the show that works to keep you in tune with school. Since WTV is made by the students, for the students, we wanted to hear from you, the audience. We asked the students what their favorite aspect of WTV is.
I like how creative you guys can be because it shows how much the program actually means to people.
I like the skits. Sometimes they can be really funny.
I love the intros, to be honest.
I love the educational stuff about it.
The news, it helps us keep up with daily news.
It just gives us so much information and it's so reliable.
My favorite part about WTV is seeing my friends, watching them anchor, and seeing all the cool, exciting things coming up.
Probably the events they announce.
My favorite part about WTV is the funny skits.
The video production team was so glad to hear what the students enjoy about WTV. But it wouldn't be a WTV story without asking the anchors and studio personnel what they enjoy most about working in video production.
To have fun and help people learn new things about what they like.
What I like most about being on crew is that you feel like you are creating something with people.
I like being on crew because I get to be a part of something and it's a lot of fun learning all of these different roles that we have.
After seeing what it's like behind the scenes of a show, you might be interested to take video communications classes here at SK, and you totally should.
In advance, there is professional video and there's professional video management. So one of those, you can be either double block or single block, meaning you take them both A days and B days. But they start to really refine your skills as far as what do you actually like to do? Do you like camera operating? Do you like editing? And getting students prepared for the industry if that's what they plan to go into. So that one really focuses on if this is what you want to do as a career, how can we help you and how can we build your skills?
Overall, WTV is special to our school, and the students love doing what they do day in and day out to ensure that you, the audience, are engaged and informed. For more information on how you can get involved in video production, email Ms. Hatfield or visit room 312 located next to the library.
If you're interested in video production, make sure to talk to your counselor. In sports, the first winter sport, bowling, starts today. Practice will be at High Joy Bowl after school. Be dressed and ready to go. Remember, you must complete everything on final forms to practice. See Mr. Ladeau if you have any questions. Girls soccer faced Rogers Saturday. The team battled back from a 2-0 deficit to get a goal and really take control in the second half to finish off their season. The Fevers got another beautiful header goal with the assist by Allen. Seiler was on her game again as goalkeeper with 13 saves, and Brown and Hoisington both held back the other team with a huge number of defensive stops.
This past weekend, 11 athletes participated in the West Central District 3 Championships. Goodwin started off placing 15th in a very talented diving bunch. Overall, the girls had great meets this weekend, dropping time in many or most of our swims in prelims and putting forth our best efforts in finals. Coaches are very proud of the season and athletes. Our 200 medley relay and 200 free relay have a possibility of receiving a wild card into the state meet. All swimmers and divers need to have their jackets washed and returned to the pool or athletic office by the end of this week. Failure to return your jacket will result in a $70 fine. Sadly, we do not have results from football. In the schedule of events, tomorrow JV football heads over to Spanaway. Also, the next varsity game looks to be away on Thursday.
We have some big reminders from Yearbook. 1. The deadline to pre-order your yearbook is December 1st. Save cash and guarantee your yearbook by ordering today. 2. December 1st is also the deadline for senior pictures for the yearbook. See how you can get your custom photo in by going to our hot links page. And one last thing for seniors, a local photographer is offering free portraits here at SK in just under 2 weeks. Register for a spot by going, yep, you guessed it, to our hot links page. The clubs meeting today are Bible, Interact, and Magic the Gathering. Meeting tomorrow will be Academy of Modelers, Astronomy, ASL, Cosmetology and Self-Care, D&D, Journalism, Key, Poetry, and Speech and Debate.
I'd say we did amazing with today's show.
Yes, I would agree.
Well, I've been the one and only Haley.
And I've been the one and only Kayla. Have an amazing week, SK, and stay dry.
Hope I fumbled.